The first time I heard about David was my sister telling me that she's closing on a house. She bought a house, she's closing on a house. She tried to get a house next door to me, but that didn't work out for her, so she made sure she lived 4 blocks away from my house. So she told me, oh, I have this nice lawyer. She was also a lawyer. And so she told me she had this nice lawyer. She told me about David. And then she gave me one of his openers that he gives out. I've had this thing in my house for years. Didn't think about it or anything. And my sister suddenly passed away. And it was devastating. Then in all the turmoil, we were wondering, what is the next thing to do? What is the next step? You're in a phase where you're lost. Even though you know what you want to do, sometimes you're just lost. And so I actually found a bottle opener. Remembered her telling me about David. And so I decided to give a call. And the first person I spoke to over the phone, I don't recall who it was so genuine, it was so comforting. Come on in, we'll see what we can do to help you. And David sat me down, spoke with me. He remembered my sister. They guided me through one of the most devastating times in my life. Make sure that the children's assets were taken care of to prevent them later on in their life. You're dealing with the loss of your mother and then having to deal with legal issues and who gets what. Let's set it up for them so that later on there's no confusion. They can have what they need. Just relax for just that brief moment in time. When you just look out, you see that, even though you have a darkness, the sun is shining. Even though you feel like, you're just taking that one step at a time. You just can look outside and see that, you made it another day. That kind of, I made it another day. And you walk into the office and then you're greeted and okay, I made it.